Hey guys, Paul Slade here from RidePro Safety. Today we have a portable solution for drivers to wash their hands while on the road. I'm using dish soap, a spray bottle, a jug of water, some paper towel, and the hand sanitizer. So understand the best way to prevent the spread of the coronavirus is to wash your hands. But why? It's because soap, regular soap, fancy honeysuckle soap, artisan peppermint soap, just any soap absolutely destroys the virus that are on your hands. And here's how. This is what a virus like coronavirus looks like. It's a bit of a material surrounded by a coating of protein and fat. Viruses easily stick to places like your hands, but when you rinse your hands with just water, it rushes right over the virus. That's because that layer of fat makes the virus behave kind of like a drop of oil. And you can see it happening in this demonstration. Oils are just liquid fats, and what happens when you pour oil into water, it floats. It doesn't mix, but if you add soap, suddenly the fatty oil dissolves into the water. That's because inside the soap, it has a two-sided molecule. One end of the molecule is attracted to water, and the other end of the molecule is attracted to fat. So when the soap molecules come in contact with the water and fat, these dual actions literally pull the fat apart surrounding the oil particles and dispersing them throughout the water. Now let's go back to the coronavirus molecule. With that layer of fat holding everything together, when it interacts with the soap, bam, that fat gets pulled out of the soap. Soap literally pulls apart and demolishes these viruses. And then the water rinses the harmless leftover shards of virus down the drain. All right guys, so here's a little demonstration on how to wash your hands on the road. Take your spray bottle filled with soap and water. Completely saturate both sides of your hands. Now just like you would do at a sink, wash your hands. One more time with more soap and water. And once again, scrub your hands. Take your clean water. Rinse them. You're going to take your paper towel, wipe them like you normally would. Take some hand sanitizer. Once again, spray both sides of your hands. Work that in. And now you're ready to eat lunch. Make sure after that you disinfect all the tools that you had. Okay? So there you have it, folks. Easy way of washing your hands while on the road. Soap, water, paper towel, disinfectant. Hope this helps. Be safe. Thanks.